everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today I gonna show you this sweet recipe for started Ram temple in Ayodhya. So I would like to prepare this sweet for Rama. So this was the celebration time. Let's gonna show you how to prepare this sweet. These are the ingredients to prepare this sweet Pala Pongali. So first of all, 1 bowl of rice, 2 glasses of water and ghee, milk, 1 milk packet of liter, jaggery, cashew, kismis and ilachi. Okay, take a pan and add 1 bowl of rice and clean off it. With add some water. Okay, now add 2 glasses of water. Put on the stove this pan and flame on it. Okay, now wait for 10 to 15 minutes until it will boiled like this consistency. Now take another bowl and add jaggery and add some water. It will melted like this consistency. Now take the jaggery consistency, add into the boiled rice like this and add boiled milk also. Now mix it well. These jaggery and milk consistencies in that rice. Now again flame on the stove. Boil this consistency for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes off the stove and take a side of this pan. Now take a small pan and add 2 spoons of ghee on that pan and flame on it. The ghee was melted. Now add kismis, cashew on that. Roast it well for 2 minutes. Okay, now add this cashew and kismis mixture on that rice mixture and mix it well. So this is the Pala Pongali recipe for today's special. So my mom decorated with the flowers with these letters Sri Rama. So I am showing off. So today is a green day declared. So I would like to wear green outfit for this foundation of Rama temple. So this is my video today. So if you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. So we pray in our home with these fruits and flowers and prasadam, panakam to Lord Rama. So bye guys. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Never miss another update video. Bye all of you. Keep smiling and keep rocking. Jai Shri Ram.